College Gym Vids fan going live on YouTube. It's National Dog Day. So look, there's a picture of Button on the bed. She's still up there from when she climbed up there with the doggy ramp. And here's the doggy ramp so she can get up there easier when she gets older and she has arthritis. Okay, now I'm going to go to Days of the Year site. Let's see. I already did my Women's Equality Day video. I already did my Cherry Popsicle Day video. And I ate my cherry popsicle earlier. It's Dog Day. Learn more. No one can win hearts like man's best friend, and in honor of the bond between man and Canine Dog Day is celebrated. Take time to appreciate the love and value that dogs bring to our daily lives and to do your bit for homeless and abused dogs the world over, from keeping us safe, working for the emergency services, to supporting people who are blind, deaf, or disabled. Dogs do a lot for us humans, and this is an opportunity to give something back. Recommendations for ways to celebrate Dogs Day range from adopting a dog from a rescue home to giving your dog a holistic spa treatment, or even buying yourself and your dog matching t-shirts. The National Dog Day Foundation supports all breeds and varieties of dogs and discourages purchasing from unethical backyard breeders and puppy mills. Instead, support reputable breeders or adopt from rescue homes. Dog Day has been supported by such high-profile individuals as former U.S. President George W. Bush, whose own dog, Barney the Scottish Terrier, has his own website and has even starred in a series of short films. So celebrate dogs and their varied talents today, both by taking the time to treat the dogs in your own life and by supporting dogs in need. See, there's all the wording about Dog Day. You can see that on the website on my iPhone. Oh, now it went off. It always does that after a couple 10-20 seconds of no activity. There's my Hello Kitty wallpaper. It's like 4:27 on August 26th.